silver alert has been issued for Surprise Police Department. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Surprise Police Department is looking for a white male, Douglas Dean Beck, 5 foot 6 inches, 162 pounds, bald head, with brown eyes, last seen in the area of 115th Avenue and Bell Road, in the city of Surprise. Beck may be driving a 2007 10 Ford F-150 pickup, Arizona license plate number 647DHR. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.